So guys, I'm heading to the store. For your information, cherries are in abundance in the store. Take advantage. Remember guys, this is a once in a while come around. I'm definitely gonna take advantage. I'm going to make cherry jam, cherry juice, cherry ice cream. The sky is the limit. If you are new here, my name is Son. Thanks for coming. Those of you already subscribed, thanks a lot. Road to 1K subscribers. Can you imagine guys, from 0 to 500 subscribers at this point? Today guys, I will make cherry jam. So let's go to the kitchen and do this. All right? Guys, I gotta tell you, I'm not gonna joke with these cherries. I'm gonna make a whole lot of dishes out of it. You gotta take advantage for real. So as you can see, I have my cherry here. It is about like 2 pounds, all red and vibrant. I got these at the supermarket. Look how pretty they are. So we will be using 3 ingredients: the cherry, 1 lemon, and some white sugar. So now I'm gonna proceed to wash my cherries, guys. So here we are. Take a look. So pretty. So now I will pour all my cherries over here. Maybe I'll just use half of it because I'm not trying to make a lot. So this is the cherry, guys. So pretty, red, and to take advantage. And you know, you can make drinks, you can make jam, as I'm doing today. You can do a lot with cherries. So now I'm gonna wash my cherries. So my cherry is all washed, as you can see, all clean and nice. So now I'm gonna take the stems out. So this is the stem, guys. I'm just gonna break the stem out and pluck the seeds out. So what you want to do is just use your knife, cut it a little piece, and then you just pluck the seed out. See, pluck the seed out. So the seed is all out. And so you kind of continue doing this. First of all, pluck your stem out, cut a little piece off, then you're going to squeeze it, and here you go, guys. The seed is out. As you can see, the seed is right here in my hand. So like I said, take the stem out, cut a little piece, squeeze it so you can get the seed out, and this is the seed. It's all out. So I'm gonna continue doing that until I'm all done. So over here I have like a cup of sugar, and now I'm gonna pour it in my boiling water. Now I will use my wooden spoon here and give it a stir because I need the sugar to dissolve. I will also add 1 lemon to my mixture. So now I'll go ahead and add my cherry, which is right here, to my mixture, just like that. This is the juice of 1 lemon, and I'm going to add it to my mixture, just like that. So the lemon, guys, will act as the pectin that I need in this, you know, to get it together. I will allow this to boil at medium heat until the cherry is somewhat disintegrated. In other words, you know, kind of broken down. So at the end, we will still have, you know, small chunks of cherries in the jam. So like I said, we're gonna allow this to boil, and we will come on back and, you know, finish with the preparation. So as you can see, guys, the cherry and the sugar are coming together nicely, and we're gonna give it some time to do its thing. Guys, take a look at the cherry jam. It is coming along so well. Very red, nice and vibrant, very sticky. That's what it's looking like right now. And as you can see, it is boiling. I have it on medium heat, guys. So I'm gonna let it go down some more. And as you can see, the cherries are coming along. They are breaking down, and this is what it's looking like at this point. So I'll give you a close-up on this. Cherry jam. And look at it, guys. It's all done. It has the jam texture to it. Look how nice and vibrant this is looking. Now I'm getting ready to turn off my flame. I will give it some time to cool out before I put it in my mason jar over here. Yes, guys. This is your cherry jam. And now I am going to pour my cherry jam into this nice little white dish here. So here we go, guys. Your cherry jam. Look how red those cherries are, and the color is to die for. So like I said, guys, cherries are in season and in the stores in abundance. Head on out and get yours and try this recipe in your kitchen. Yes, guys, this is it.
cherry jam with chunks of cherry in it. You can eat this with your bread. You can eat this with crackers. Whatever you want. You can even eat it just like that. But you know, it's on the sweet side, so use your discretion. Now I'm transferring it to my mason jar. So now I will clean it up a little. And here you are, guys, nice cherry jam in my nice little mason jar here. So now I'm gonna put my cover on and store it for eating. So there you go, guys. Cherry jam. I don't know how long this is going to last me, but I tell you I will eat this, especially with crackers. I'm not a bread person. From my kitchen to your kitchen.